Hello friends, Groovy Mom here. I just want to do a quick update about the no-knead bread and just one of the ways that I played around with it today. Today I made the no-knead bread, and in addition to the regular ingredients that you'd normally add to it, I added, I'd say maybe a third to a half a cup of oatmeal, and then I also added, no, I wouldn't say half a cup. I would say probably a third. I didn't measure it. I just kind of hand-fold it, and then I added maybe a quarter cup of wheat germ to that. The other addition that I did is I put in, I don't know, a couple tablespoons of my sourdough starter. So I just fed my starter. It's just resting in the fridge. But I put it in there kind of to use it up and just kind of as an experiment. And it turns out I think I got kind of a little bit of a heartier bread. I got a nice little crumb on there. It's nice and airy, but it's still, I think maybe a little denser from the oatmeal, and maybe a little chewier from the starter. I'm not sure, but I think it rendered kind of interesting results. But so if you're interested in playing around with it, it's such a forgiving recipe that why not? I just thought it would be fun to have something a little different. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? The hardest part of making this bread is waiting for it to cool down enough to cut it. Oh my gosh. Little bread porn for you. Down, 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 down. So you can kind of see the wheat germ in there, I think. Yum! All right, if you have other additions or other things you've done or tried, I would love to hear it. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Peace be with you.